Now I want to have a quick chat to you about snake bite kits. Snake bite kits are a really important thing to have in your vehicle when you're out in the bushland, just in case. This is the type of kit that you have in your vehicle and you hope never to use it. It's got tourniquets in it, it's got compression bandages, and it's got a couple of essentials like permanent texters and a notepad. And it's a great kit to have in your car. They're inexpensive, and it's just does you a world of wonder when you're out in the bush. Invest in a snake bite kit. Now this one is a human being snake bite kit. I also have one for dogs. The dog one I had to buy online, unfortunately. This one I just got down at my local shops, my local camping store. But great investment. Get yourself one, chuck it in your car, forget about it, because it's always going to be there when you need it.